Hi everyone, welcome to the Masters Education YouTube channel. This is Satya. Today we discuss about problem on trial balance. We are applying pro forma of ledger in previous class. We divide first assets and liabilities, revenue and expenditure, profit and losses like cash in hand. It is on current asset. It is debit side of the trial balance. Purchase returns. It is related to credit side of the trial balance. Wages is an expenditure. It is debit side of the trial balance. Establishment expenses. Expenses is related to the expenses. It is debit side of the trial balance. Sales returns. It is also one of the expenses of the trial balance. That's the reason it is also debit side of the trial balance. Capital is directly credit side of the trial balance. Carriage outwards, it is credit side of the trial balance. Discount received, it is debit side of the trial balance. It is an expenditure. Commission earned, it is an income. Credit side of the trial balance. Machinery is an asset. All assets is debit in the form of trial balance. Stock is also an asset. It is debit side of the trial balance. Debitors also assets, current assets. It is also debit side of the trial balance. Creditors is current liabilities. It is also credit side of the trial balance. Sales are stocks. It is credit side of the trial balance. Purchase is related to debit side of trial balance. Bank overdraft is an liability. It is credit side of the trial balance. Manufacturing expenses is expenses. It is debit side of the trial balance. Loan from Ashok, it is credit side of the trial balance. Carriage inwards, it is debit side of the trial balance. Investment interest, it is credit side of the trial balance. It is an income. We are go to pro forma of trial balance. We are already explained pro forma of trial balance in previous class. It have 4 columns. Column 1 name of the account, column 2 ledger portfolio, column 3 debit amount, column 4 credit amount. Here under this amount, that last one is total amount. Debit and credit is both is equal amount, where debit is called credit is called debit. Starts with solution. Take pro forma of ledger. Name of the topic, the trial balance of the master's education as on 31st March 2020. Then we are take first column, name of the account, then ledger portfolio, debit amount, credit amount. We are already discovered all related transactions. What is debit, what is credit, what is an asset, what is an liability. Now we are posting easily. Cash in hand, it is an asset. That's why reason we are debited to the trial balance. Purchase returns, it is an expenditure. It is related to credit amount. That's why reason we are credited or deduct from the purchase. Here wages is an expenditure. It is debited to the trial balance. Establishment expenses, it is also expenditure. We are debited to the trial balance. Then sales return is deduct from sales or it is debited to the trial balance. Capital we are already know, it is credit side of the trial balance. Carriage outside, it is debit side of the trial balance. Discount received, it is an expenditure. That's why reason we are debited to the trial balance. Commission earned, it is income. It is recorded in trial balance. It credit side. Now machinery is an asset. We are debit side of the trial balance. Stock is also asset. We are right in debit side of the asset. Debitors is also asset. we are written down by the debit side. Creditors is an liability. It is credit side of the trial balance. Sales are also default on credit side of the trial balance. Then purchase is default debit side of the, why? Because we are debit purchase, that's why reason we are taking as debit side. Bank overdraft is an liability. It is credit side of the liability. Loan from Ashok, it is an liability. That's why reason we are credited to the trial balance. And carriage inwards, it is an expenditure. We are debited to the trial balance. Now we are going to interest on investment. It is an income. It is related to the credit side of the trial balance. Now we are calculating both side of total. 13,000, 1,13,000 according to trial balance, where debit is equal to credit. Here the problem, 1,13,000 is debit side, and also same in credit side also 1,13,000. Now problem is complete. Debit is equal to credit. Thank you all.